Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic sucrose, which comes under the examples of disaccharide. And sucrose is a molecule composed of two monosaccharides, that is glucose and fructose, where lactose is glucose and galactose, where sucrose is glucose and fructose. So sucrose is commonly referred to as table sugar or cane sugar. So the English chemist named William Miller, who termed the word sucrose in the year of 1857, and it is widely used as sweetener in food products. So C12H22O11 is obtained from the sugar beets or sugar canes. It must be refined for human consumption. Refined sucrose or sugar, it is a popular ingredient in many food recipes because of its sweet taste. So coming to the structure, it has monoclinic crystal structure and it is soluble in water, and it is connected via glycosidic bond, and the structure of sucrose molecule is illustrated below as. So coming to the physical and chemical properties. Physical, it is a crystal in structure and it has high temperature over 186 degrees Celsius. This compound decomposes and yields caramel, which is used for candies. So it is solubility in water at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. And chemical properties, it undergoes combustion reaction to yield carbon dioxide and water, and when reacted with chloric acid, this compound yields hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide and water, and it can be degraded with the help of sulfuric acid, which acts as catalyst to give rise to a black solid which is rich in carbon. So coming to starch, it is examples of polysaccharides, and it is made up of 1,4 linkages between glucose monomers. It is tasteless, fluffy white powder, and it is insoluble in cold water, alcohol and other solvents. The chemical formula of the starch is C6H10O5N. So it is made up of long chains of sugar molecules that are connected together. So the linear polymer amylose is the basic form of starch, while amylopectin is the branched form. The primary role of starch is to help plants in storing the energy particles, and in animal it is a source of sugar. Amylase, which is an enzyme, it present in saliva and the pancreas that break down starch for energy, and it is used by the animals to break down starch molecules. And general properties of starch includes starch as carbohydrate, starch as polysaccharides, and starch as non-reducing sugar. So as said before, starch is the main source of potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, cereals. And coming to polysaccharides, it's a biological polymer. It is present in the form of amylose and amylopectin. And non-reducing sugar, it is not classified as reducing sugar. And starch and sucrose are both blue, indicating that they are non-reducing sugars. And glycogen, it is a polysaccharides of glucose, and it is served as the form of energy storage in fungi and as well as animals, and it is the primary storage form of glucose in the body. And glycogen is made and stored in the liver and muscles, and that are hydrated with 4 parts of water. And muscle glycogen is quickly converted into glucose by muscle cells, and liver glycogen, it converts into glucose throughout the body, which includes central nervous system. So coming to the structure, it is a long polymer chain of glucose molecules which are bonded with alpha acetyl linkage. If the carbonyl group is an aldehyde group, it is termed as hemiacetal, Where if two alkoxy groups are bonded, it refers to as acetyl groups. So it refers to the analog of starch, and it has similar structure to amyloprotein and glycogen in muscles, liver and fat cells. It is stored and it is composed of 3 to 4 parts of water. Functions: it is about 40 kilocalories, and liver glycogen, which further acts as glucose to maintain the normal blood sugar levels. And brain includes small amount of glycogen, and it gets accumulated during sleep and mobilized upon walking. Glycogen serves to assure a moderate degree of protection against hypoglycemia. Thank you.